What's the meaning of coronary artery? Coronary artery. Coronary artery.
Coronary artery. Coronary artery. The coronary arteries are blood vessels that supply oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle. These arteries branch off of the aorta and wrap around the heart, providing nutrients and oxygen to the heart muscle cells. The coronary arteries are essential for proper heart function, as they ensure that the heart muscle has enough energy to pump blood throughout the body. If the coronary arteries become narrow or blocked due to conditions such as atherosclerosis, it can lead to serious health problems, including heart attack and heart failure.